Hey guys, so in today's video I wanted to bring you guys along as I create some DIY tabs and little things to mark places in my Bible where I have notes and just kind of like, I don't know what this is. So yeah, I wanted to bring you guys along. I have been struggling to open my Bible and get excited. I have been struggling to get into my Bible and enjoy it. So what I like to do, well, one of the things I like to do is to find a creative way to bring my love for creativity, crafts, things like that into my Bible and Bible journaling and Bible note-taking and studying, so that way I can find that love again. When I'm feeling like this, I tend to try to really just surround myself with things of God and just like overwhelm myself with God, which is hard for this season because I have been overwhelmed by the things that I've been doing for him. Probably been overdoing things, and he's probably been telling me to rest, but I don't listen. So these past months have been very busy, very overwhelming. I am feeling burned out, and I just want to take you guys along with me as I create some things. So let me show you guys what I have. So I grabbed some things specific. Oh, I did not put this. Oh, I need scissors. So I grabbed some things. A lot of it is from the dollar store. A lot of it is stuff that I already had on hand. I have a lot of paper clips and binder clips that I want to like decorate so that way I can mark and use them as placeholders in my Bible. And I want to make them cute. I do have like this magnetic bookmark. They're cute, but it's just like a little small and heavy duty for a piece of paper that I feel like it would rip. And then I also have these cute paper clips, but I just want to make something cuter. So I have some fabric with me, which my dog did get a hold of. I have some string. I have these ribbons that I normally use to, so Happy Planner has sticker books, and I usually use these to tie them off because as you start ripping through them, it comes apart. So I just have a whole bunch of different ones. So let's get into the actual making of these things. So I wanted to make some like tassels with the string. So this I just got at the dollar store. So what am I gonna do? And then here we have the little paper clip with this ugly tassel. So that didn't turn out beautiful, but I really thought it would come out nicer. Okay, so I think we're gonna move away from the string. We are not great. So I'm going to take this fabric and I'm just going to cut off the parts where my dog was chewing. So I'm going to take my paper clip and I'm going to thread the fabric through. And then I'm just going to tie it on the top. That's cuter. So I'm just gonna cut this a little shorter. And here we have a little cute paper clip. This is cute. So I think I'm gonna do that with some of these. I'm gonna try the tassel thing one more time, but with my, I'm gonna try it with my thinner string. So I did this one a little different, and I really like the way that came out. Okay, so I have a few now. This one is terribly ugly, but we'll still work with it. I think it'll be cute when journaling. So like over here I can do like a little paper clip right there. A paper clip action. You can kind of see it sticking out over here, and I think that's cute. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm actually gonna throw a few more in my Bible just so you guys can see how they look, because I think they're pretty cute. So this is kind of what it looks like. I think they're kind of cute if you let it hang a little bit more. So I think they're very cute. I don't know, I think it gives it a little something cute to just kind of like go through your notes and see exactly where you have notes, what you've marked up. You don't have to do this for every page, but I just thought this would be something cute to make so that way I can use my stuff, get creative in my Bible, and get cracking it open. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys just enjoyed watching me do something to get myself more excited to open up my Bible. And yeah, if you guys like this type of video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And leave me a comment down below of what you like to do, just to help you get back into the Word when it's kind of hard to. And yeah, so I will see you guys in my next video.